Welcome back to Bussy Eats. Today we're making a Jamaican-inspired ground turkey and eggplant dish. Hearty, flavorful, and still low calorie. Yes, I said it. This one is extra special, but it ties into my low-calorie lifestyle journey, and I'll share a little of that story while we cook. And before we get started, I just want to say a huge thank you to Yaad Kitchen and Grocery for sponsoring today's video. They keep my pantry stocked with authentic Jamaican seasonings, and I'm so proud to partner with them. I started with lean ground turkey, and from the very beginning, I added all my seasonings: Spice Jamaica Red seasoning, Spice Jamaica Garlic and Herb seasoning, allspice, ginger, and skip the salt because these seasonings already have a little salt in them. Seasoning as the turkey browns locks in the flavor so every bite is bold, smoky, and herby. And big shout out to Yaad Kitchen and Grocery for keeping me stocked with these authentic seasonings. They're the reason this dish tastes like home. As this sizzles, let me share something personal. See, I've been on a low-calorie lifestyle journey, not a quick diet, but real changes to how I eat and live. See, food is part of my identity, and growing up in a Jamaican household, meals were full of spice, richness, and love. And I never want to lose that, but I also want balanced meals that keep me healthy and energized while still holding on to my culture and flavor. That's why you'll notice a few changes here and there on this channel. It's still me, still the foods I love, just with a lighter twist. After the turkey browned, I added onion, garlic, and bell pepper right into the same pan. No need to remove anything. It all cooks together, building flavors. Then I stirred in diced eggplant. I love eggplant because it's low calorie but hearty, and it soaks up the seasonings and juices from the turkey as it cooks. It makes the dish feel rich and filling without being heavy. And I'll be honest, this journey hasn't always been easy. There are some days I miss those heavier, comforting meals, but then I have to remind myself, Khalesia, is not about giving up the foods you love. It's about finding new ways to enjoy them. Healthy eating doesn't have to mean bland food, right? It can still mean spice, culture, and joy, just with balance. To bring it all together, I am going to cover the pot and let that cook for about 10 minutes until the sauce thickens and the eggplant softened. This way, all the flavors marry right there in the skillet. Then I'm going to go in with my diced tomatoes. And here's the finished dish: savory ground turkey, tender eggplant, and bold Jamaican seasonings in every bite. Low calorie but packed with island flavor. Thank you again to Yaad Kitchen and Grocery for sponsoring this video and supporting this journey. If you haven't already, check them out for all your Caribbean staples. This recipe is just one of the ways I'm reshaping my meals without giving up who I am or where I come from. If you're on your own health journey, I hope this inspires you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes and lifestyle updates. We're just getting started, and I can't wait to share more with you. Bless up and see you next time.